Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain Sadhana workbook from that objective bank and work out question number 1 to 3. Okay children, are you ready? Coming to first one, objective bank. So from that, first one, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is. So what did you get? So suppose 5 divided by 1. So what did you get? 5 is the answer. So the number itself you get it. So when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The number itself. Okay. Coming to next one. The product of any number and 1 is. So take any number and 1. So find the product. Suppose 3000 into 1. What did you get? 3000 into 1. 3000 1 times 3000 only. So the product of any number and 1. What did you get? The number itself. So here number itself. Number itself. Okay. Coming to next one. In BODMAS rule, M stands for. So in BODMAS rule, M stands for. So you know that one B for brackets, O for off, D for division. So what is the M? So what we call? That is which operation we go through that one? That is multiplication. And A for addition and S for subtraction. So the M stands for multiplication. M stands for multiplication. So here fourth one, multiplicand and multiplier equal to dash. So suppose I am going to multiply 15 into 3. So 15 3s are 45. So what we call this result of multiplication? So the result of multiplication we will call product. You know that one. Here the 15 is multiplicand and 3 is multiplier and 45 is product. So the result of multiplication is product. Next, difference equal to dash minus subtrahend. Suppose just take 15 minus 3. You will get, what did you get? 2 and 1. So here the answer of subtraction or result of subtraction we will call difference. And already this term is given subtrahend. And so what we call this 15? What did you call? So minuend. What did you call? Minuend. So minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. Coming to next one. The numbers that are to be added in addition problem are called. The numbers that are to be added in addition problem are called. So suppose here 15 plus 3 equal to 18. So you know the result of addition we will call sum or total. So what did you call these two numbers? We call that are addends. What did you call? Addends. Next. 2 lakh, 2 is divided by 2. So simply, you know that one. Here always we start from left to most place. So 2, here 2. So 1 time, now 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you will get 1 lakh 1. You will get 1 lakh 1. 1 lakh 2 times you will get 2 lakh 2. Got it children? So the quotient will get 1 lakh 1. Next, the sum of any number and 0. The sum of any number and 0. So just I am taking the sum of any number. So 3 plus 0. What did you get? 3 only. So the sum of any number and 0. It will get number itself. Number itself. number itself. Now 10,000 into 10. So already you know product of ending with zeros. So here just we are adding 1 0 to from right side. So what is the number here? 10,000. Just write what is the given multiplicate and we have to add 0 here. So you will get 1 lakh. 10,000 into 10 you will get 1 lakh. Now coming to here we have to apply the BODMAS rule. So here BODMAS rule. Is there any brackets? No. Is there off? Means we have to OF off. Is there? No. So we have division and multiplication and addition. So here BODMAS or DMAS. So which operation we will do first? Division, multiplication, then addition. So first you have to do the 12 divided by 2. So 20 plus 5 into 12 divided by 2. How many times it will be? 6 times. Then after which operation we will do? Which operation children? 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. So you will get 20 plus 30 equal to 50. So the answer will be 50. The answer will be 50. 20 plus 5 into 12 divided by 2. You will get 50. So 12 divided by 2. First we have to take out. So that is 12 divided by 2 is 6 times. Now then after we multiply 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. And 20 plus 30 we have to add. That is 50. And the next one. Workout. First one, fill in the blanks with plus or minus to make each of the number sentence true. So here we have to use addition symbol and subtraction symbol. So it will be number sentence will be correct one. So we have to use these two symbols. So 463. Suppose if I write plus, first plus 420 plus 263. So add 3, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 6 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now just I am taking minus symbol. Now subtract, it will not equal. Now do one more number is there here, 220. So just I am taking minus symbol. Just subtract from 683, 220 or subtracting. Now 3 minus 0 is 3, 8 minus 2 is 6 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So here what is there? 463. So which symbols will come? Plus and minus. Got it children? Next B1. 9423 dash 77 equal to 9500. So if you write plus or minus, it will be equal to 9500. Just I am writing plus. Now add 9423 plus 77. So 3 plus 7 how much? 3 plus 7 is 10. Write here 0, 1. 1 plus 2 plus 7 equal to 10. Now 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Now 9. So the value is 9500. So if you write plus only, it will be equal to 9500. If you write minus, it will not equal. Okay. Now coming to 5000 dash 376 dash 24 equal to 5400. So first 5000. Just I am writing plus. So 5000 plus 376. And 0 plus 6 is 6. A number, sum of number plus 0 equal to, what did you get? Number itself. So 6. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 3 is 3. Now 5. Now if I subtract minus, if I take minus, so what did you get? 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Now 3, 5. But it will not equal to 5400. Again if I write plus, so means 5376 plus 24. You have to add 24. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 3 is 4 and 5. So it will be equal to 5400. So which symbols will come? Plus. Both will be plus only. 5000 plus 376 plus 24 equal to 5400. Coming to next one. 816. 816 equal to 457 dash 376 dash 17. So if I am writing, I am taking plus first. So I have to equal to 816. So first 457 plus 376. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 how much? 13. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 7 again 13. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now just I am subtracting. I am taking just subtraction symbol minus. Now I am taking out. So 3 minus 7 we cannot. We have to take the regrouping. 3 will become 13. So this 3 will become 2. 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 8. 816. So which symbols will come? Plus and minus. So 457 plus 376. So if you add from these two numbers, you have to take out 17. You will get 816. Got it, children? Coming to next one. Solve the following. We add 6,50,414 and 6,52,000. So you have to add. Now just arrange the columns. Arrange the columns. Lakh, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. 6,15,400, 6,15,000, 6,15,000, 15,414 plus 6,52,000. 6,52,000. You have to add. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 2 after 2. 5 after 2 is 7. 1 plus 5. So 1 after 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is. So add 6 after 6 numbers. It will become 12. So you will get 12,67,414. The sum will be, what is the addition? Result, sum or total. The sum will be 12,67,414. Okay, got it, children? Come to next one. Find the difference between. So we have to find the difference between 4,53,163 and 1,61,091. So now arrange in columns. Lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. Now 4,53,163 minus 1,61,091. Now subtract. 3 minus 1. So 3 is greater 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So can we subtract 6 minus 9? No, we cannot. So we have to regroup it. 6 will become 16. This one will become 0. 16 minus 9 is 7. And 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 1 again 2. 5 minus 6. Can we take out? So we cannot. So again regroup it. 5 will become 15. So this 4 will become 3. 15 minus 6 is 9. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So we'll get the difference is The difference is 2,92,072. 2,92,072. Got it, children? Coming to next one. Multiply 7,783 by 180. So here 4-digit number by 3-digit number is given. So first write 7,783 into 180. We have to multiply. Now first multiply ones place. So 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24. 2, 8 8s are 64 plus 2 is 66. 6 here and 8 7s are 56 plus 6 is 62. 6 and again 8 7s are 56 plus 6 is 62. Now we are multiplying tens place value number 1. 1 into this number. So we have to keep 0 or cross it. In ones place. Now 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into 7 is 7. Now we are multiplying hundreds place number 1. 1 into given number 7,783. So into 100. So we have to keep the 0 or cross the ones place and tens place. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into 7 is 7. Now add the numbers. 4 plus 0 plus 0 will get 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 regroup it. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 1 regroup it. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 1 here. Write 2 here. Means regroup it. 2 plus 7 is 9. So the product is 9,18,394. The product is 9,18,394. Got it, children? Once again practice. Thank you.